Hello there, it's Mick from Creative Schools here with a WordPress tutorial. This one is about how to edit the content on the pages that we've already got on the site. So the best way to do this is we're already logged in, so you can see we're logged in because of the black ribbon at the top. So for example, if we want to edit the school vision, go navigate to that page and then click on edit at the top. And that opens up the page with all of the content that is in there already. And so we can see here that we've got some text, we've got a table, and we have an excerpt and a featured image. So what they're here, so this is our featured image, that's our title, this is our excerpt, this is our text, and here's our table. So I'll show you how to edit those elements now. So to edit the excerpt, again, it is just a simple text area, so you can type straight in, and in here, again, it is just a text area, but what you can do in here is change some header styles. So if we've got here, we've already got these set up for you, so if we just double click on that, go to this drop down, we can set that to be heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 or heading 4. So the heading 1 is already being used on the title, so our title next will be header 2. And if you want to edit the table, you can just click in there and start typing again. What you might want to do is add a document to this, so a PDF for example. So if you just find the place on the page where you want to add your document, you just go to add media at the top, and that will give you your access to your media library. So if the document is already uploaded, it will already be in here, so you can put it on multiple pages. So for example, we've got the overview of Key Stage 1 Curriculum 2, Curriculum Year 2, 17-18. If we click on that, opens up our little details here. So if we didn't want to call that for whatever reason, because it's quite a long name, if we wanted to call it just Key Stage 1, we can do that. Click Insert into Page, and when that loads, it will pop a link into that document. So there you go. So even though the document is called, something long, it won't appear that long on the page, so you can keep your document titles very narrow. Should you want to delete that document from that page, you can just highlight it and remove it, but because you uploaded it to that page, which I'll show you how to do now, so you upload a file, click on select files, and that will open up the file storage system of the device that you're working on. So we'll just, actually we won't use that one, see if we've got something on here that we can use. That will do for now, so we'll just open that. It's as simple as that. You just click on it and it puts it straight in there. Here's a good example. So how we've got this document saved, we've got underscores in there. So you want to get rid of those. So if you do that in here, they won't appear on your front page. So if we add that document in here, you see it's exactly the same way as picking something up from the media library as it is. There we go. So now if we wanted to remove that document, but even though, because we've added it to this page, say for example it's a policy that has become out of date and is now being replaced by a more recent policy, we go to add media again, and it's a very important little button here which will save you some time. If you go to upload it to this page, it removes everything else and just shows you the documents that you've uploaded to that individual page. So here, from all of those documents we've uploaded, it's narrowed it down to the one that we want. So if we click on that, we've got a big red panic button here of delete permanently. Click on delete permanently and click on OK on any of your action, and that removes that document completely from your website, so it will remove from anywhere, and then just highlight that like we did before and delete that. I think that's about it for now for editing pages. There are lots of other things you can do on there. If you have anything you want to do, like for example embedding a YouTube video or adding in photo galleries, please give me a call. I'll set that page up for you and you can just add the documents in rather than you trying to do it yourself. I think that's enough for information for now on editing pages to get you started with. If you're feeling brave and want to do more, then please give us a ring. Once you've made your changes and you're happy with them, you've got your update button here. Now as this page is live, I'm not going to update it. So what I'll show you here, so say for example I've made changes to this and I want to navigate away from it to say I want to go and add a news post. You get this warning message. So this is just telling you that you've made changes to this page and you haven't saved them and you haven't updated them. So what we actually want to do in a normal situation is to click on stay, and that opens it back up for you to edit. But because we don't want to save any of these, click on posts and we can leave that page. Thanks for watching. That was a WordPress tutorial on how to edit existing pages. Thank you.